Ease it out.
I don't think we've ever gotten this one on film. I don't think we've ever seen you this one on film. You kind of get used to see the same stuff all the time, but this feels like brand new footage, never been seen before. How are you feeling? Good?
I got a good pump, I just feel sick.
Oh, really?
Well, the heat, I'm not used to it.
Legs will do that to you, though.
Nah, you know what? You're coming, training here from Vegas, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, I'm training at Pansy clubs now, you know? It's not like the old gyms there. No hardcore stuff. All air conditioned. Why I came here to train legs to fucking...
You doing hamstring today or no?
Yeah, of course.
Wow. So I'll be here for another 2 hours.